You just made the jump to our CoolJarz SST shrink sleeve labeling machine, and you're ready to set it up for the first time. This video will walk you through everything to set up the laptop, compliance text printer, and label stand for your first use. In the first video, I showed how to set up the SST shrink sleeve machine, and I'll link to that video in the upper right hand corner of this video. That video showed how to set up the steam machine and get started shrinking clear or custom sleeves on your product. Our next video will show how to load the labels in the printer, how to print the compliance text on the sleeves, and some info about our pre-programmed laptop, so subscribe to be sure to catch that video. So let's get started. First, unbox our pre-programmed laptop. Models will vary depending on availability. Batch info printer, label stand, I'll show you how to assemble that later in this video, power cords, connection cords, and thermal transfer rolls. Now let's assemble the label stand. It's easy and requires no tools. Slide the two base sections together, following the grooves till it snaps. Now slide in the right and left side pillars, also till they snap. Use the included thumb screw to keep the base together, and finally add on the spindle on top to hold your labels. Let's connect the printer by plugging in your power adapter and USB connection cord. The USB-B side goes into the printer. Plug the AC adapter into the power supply. Now let's connect the laptop by connecting the power adapter, your model may vary, and the USB-A side of the printer connection cord. Finally, plug both the printer and the laptop into an available 110 volt receptacle. That was easy. Everything is now hooked up and ready to use. We set up and test each unit before we ship, so moving on to the next step is really simple. But stay tuned for our next video where we give a detailed look into printing your compliance text onto your shrink sleeves. We thank you for watching our YouTube channel. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on all of our newest products and support videos. As always, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.